Hey there, thank you for tuning in. My name is Elio Olmos, and I'm here to give you my testimonial on 4% MSI ecosystem, where literally I'm making money. What I like about the system that it has multiple streams of income. It has a challenge, it has the internet mastery, it has the East Stage and the East Stage Academy. So those are streams of income. And I know I've been online for 2 years and I've never seen anything like this. So, and I just want to give a Vic 2 thumbs up for his good program that he has. I really like it. And if you're serious about making online business or get some extra income, click the link below, subscribe to my channels, and click the bell button so you can every time I put up a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching my video.